Are you ready to dive into the delicious world of Asian cooking? Today, we're exploring the rich flavors and techniques that make Asian cuisine unique. This will be a close-up look at the continuous cooking process. Let's get started. Asian cooking brings together diverse ingredients and vibrant flavors. Each dish tells a story, influenced by traditions and cultures. Our goal today is to make a simple yet flavorful stir-fry. We'll focus on a chicken stir-fry, showcasing techniques along the way. First, let's gather our ingredients. We need chicken breast, fresh vegetables, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, and rice. Make sure everything is prepped before we start. This ensures a smooth cooking experience. Start by slicing the chicken into thin strips. This allows it to cook quickly and evenly. Next, chop your vegetables. We'll use bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots for color and crunch. Having everything ready makes cooking faster and more efficient. Now, let's heat our pan. Use medium-high heat for optimal cooking. Add a splash of sesame oil for flavor. Once the oil is hot, add garlic and ginger. Sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. This step builds a wonderful aroma. Now, add the chicken to the pan. Spread it out to ensure even cooking. Allow it to sear for 2 to 3 minutes without stirring. This gives it a nice color. Flip the pieces once browned. Cook for another couple of minutes until fully cooked. Next, it's time to add the vegetables. Start with the tougher ones like carrots and broccoli. These take longer to cook. After a couple of minutes, add the bell peppers. Stir-fry everything together, mixing the flavors. Let's add the soy sauce now. This will enhance the dish's umami flavor. Pour in a few tablespoons and stir well to coat everything. The sauce will bubble and thicken slightly, adding a glossy finish. Once everything is cooked to your liking, turn off the heat. Serve your stir-fry immediately over a bed of rice. The rice absorbs the flavors beautifully. Watch how vibrant and colorful your dish looks. For an extra touch, garnish with sesame seeds or green onions. It adds a lovely crunch and fresh flavor. This simple yet delicious meal showcases the depth of Asian cooking. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you cook, the easier it becomes. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors and ingredients. Every dish you make builds your skills and confidence. So, what did we learn today? We explored key ingredients, techniques, and steps to create a delightful chicken stir-fry. We kept it simple, but the flavors are anything but. Try this recipe at home and share your experience with family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting cooking videos. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this one, and let us know what you want to see next. Happy cooking! Your journey in Asian cuisine is just beginning.